Hi guys, I'm Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. Last year I decided to throw a Galentine's Day party and I did everything kind of on my own and it was an amazing time. I loved how everything turned out. I was so happy with it. All my friends had a great time. We had an invitation making station and we also had a clothing swap. So everyone brought all of their clothes that they didn't really want anymore and we laid it all out. There was shoes and bags and clothing and books and anything that wasn't taken I donated to our local thrift store. It was a great time and I highly recommend if you want to do a Galentine's Day party this year that you don't be afraid to do it yourself. There's so many easy ways to make it so cute and I hope this video inspires you to do the same. Okay, got these pink pillar candles. I got these on Amazon along with these beautiful glass holders. So I have those. I'm gonna do like a whole tablescape. This is the before. I have a bunch of flowers that I'm gonna make arrangements with and kind of like lay them everywhere. And then I have a bunch of cooking to do. I really wanna make one of those like cutesy Valentine cakes. So I got some mix and we're just gonna kind of see how it goes. I got all the stuff for it. I got a bunch of cute little cake tin. We're gonna be making our own Valentines tonight. So I got like little kissy things that we can make Valentines with. Some candy if you wanna like make regular Valentines. We're just kind of gonna make everything really pretty. What do you think, Maze? Is that cool? terrible. If you enjoy this video and want to see more of all the shenanigans I get up to, all of the things that I see online and I'm like, I could totally do that, I could do that, please subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on Instagram at Ariana Freyer. I hope to see you again soon. Thanks for watching. Bye.